Did you know that skiing is older than the wheel? That's right, this exhilarating sport has a history spanning thousands of years. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're hitting the slopes to uncover 15 mind-blowing facts about skiing that you probably didn't know. So, buckle up your boots, and let's glide into it. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Skiing dates back over 8,000 years. The oldest wooden skis were discovered in Russia, dating to around 6,300 to 5,000 BCE. Early skis were primarily used for hunting and warfare, helping people traverse snowy landscapes with ease. Fact 2. The meaning of ski. The word ski comes from the Old Norse word skid, which means a split piece of wood. Quite fitting, don't you think? Fact 3. Skiing in warfare. Skiing has been used in military operations for centuries. Norwegian soldiers on skis were documented as early as 1200 during the Battle of Oslo. By the 15th century, ski troops were common in Scandinavian armies. Fact 4. Olympic debut. Alpine skiing made its Olympic debut in 1936 during the Winter Games held in Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Germany. German skier Franz Fner became the first man to win a gold medal in the event. Fact 5. The only English word with double I. Skiing is the only six-letter word in the English language with a double I exactly in the middle. A quirky little linguistic fact. Fact 6. Record-breaking speeds. The current world record for the fastest speed on skis is a staggering 150 for .958 kilometers per hour, set by Italian skier Ivan Origoni in 2016. Fact 7. Skiing without snow. Did you know you can ski without snow? Sand skiing is popular in desert regions, and grass skiing is practiced on grassy slopes using specialized equipment. Fact 8. Longest ski jump. The longest ski jump on record is an incredible 153.5 meters, achieved by Austrian skier Stefan Kraft in 2017. That's longer than to football fields. Fact 9. Skiing on the moon. Astronaut Harrison Schmitt, during the Apollo 17 mission in 1972, described his movements on the lunar surface as skiing due to the low gravity and sliding motion. Skiing is truly out of this world. Fact 10. Most medals in alpine skiing. Austria holds the record for the most Olympic medals in alpine skiing, showcasing their long-standing passion and excellence in the sport. Fact 11. Skiing's health benefits. Skiing is not only fun, but also a great workout. It improves cardiovascular endurance, strengthens muscles, and enhances balance and coordination. Plus, it's a fantastic way to enjoy the great outdoors. Fact 12. Largest ski resort. The largest ski resort in the world is Les Three Valleys in France, offering over 600 kilometers of interconnected slopes. It's a paradise for ski enthusiasts. Fact 13. Skiing in the summer. You don't have to wait for winter to ski. Glacier skiing allows enthusiasts to hit the slopes even in summer months, with popular spots in Switzerland, Austria, and Norway. Fact 14. The steepest run. The Harakiri Run in Marathon, Austria, is one of the steepest groomed slopes in the world, with a 78% gradient. It's a challenge even for the most experienced skiers. Fact 15. Skiing's environmental impact. As skiers, it's essential to be aware of our environmental impact. Climate change poses a significant threat to snowy regions. Many resorts are adopting sustainable practices to preserve the mountains for future generations. There you have it, 15 fascinating facts about skiing that highlight its rich history, thrilling records, and global appeal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, skiing offers endless excitement and discovery. What's your favorite skiing fact? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep shredding.